Does your mind at dawn feel like a tangled thread, knotted with doubts that you are not enough, distractions that fray your focus, and a purposelessness that unravels your resolve? Before the first light, these threads threaten to knot your days, potential into chaos, leaving only loose ends. But what if, in just 14 days, you could wield the Stoicism mindset to weave those threads into a tapestry of clarity and purpose? With Stoic Reign's wisdom, this is your oath to transform your dawn and craft a life of unshakable strength. Pause and breathe. What knot tightens your morning? Doubts, distractions, and a lack of purpose cloud mental health, fray focus, and unravel resolve. The Stoicism mindset, woven from the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, offers a loom to transform your mornings into rituals of power. Stoic Reign guides the path, fueling self-improvement and mindfulness through Stoicism daily practice. Meet Taryn, a 32-year-old lacemaker from Bruges. Taryn's morning doubts snagged her threads, her lace undone. "My mind was a knot before dawn," she says, needles still. The Stoicism mindset wove her clarity, proving transformation for all. Let us weave your Stoicism mindset. The Stoicism mindset begins with Seneca's truth. Every day is a new life. Each dawn is a thread to weave with intention. Samurai wisdom echoes, thread your soul before the world frays it. Take Elise, a 29-year-old mosaicist from Ravenna. Elise's morning distractions shattered her tiles, her art fading. "My mind unraveled. Before I began," she says, "stones scattered." The Stoicism mindset steadied her hand, enhancing Stoicism lessons. "I create now," she says. Her story shows Stoicism for women builds resilience, easing anxiety. How does the Stoicism mindset transform your mornings? 8 Stoic strategies paired with Stoicism exercises weave an unshakable dawn. First, unravel the thread with gratitude. Marcus Aurelius taught, "Think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive." Before your phone, reflect, "I am alive today." Name 3 gratitudes: breath, a loved one, a challenge. Try the thread unravel. Journal daily, noting. Gratitudes: my home, a friend, tough task. Action: thanked someone. Result: grounded. Taryn's doubts loosened as she named her gratitudes. She laced. "I am not my knots," she says, boosting Stoicism motivation. Pause and reflect. Weave the dawn. The second strategy shapes your first hour. Epictetus urged, first say what you would be. Skip notifications. Build a 3-part ritual. Stretch 5 minutes. Journal 1 goal, like stay focused. Read a Stoic quote. Use the dawn weave. Track. Daily noting ritual. Stretched, journaled, read Seneca. Result focused. Voren, a 27-year-old potter from Oaxaca, was lost to morning chaos. "My mind frayed before I touched clay," she says, "wheel still." The Stoicism mindset sculpted her dawn, boosting productivity. "I shape my start," she says. Third, choose resolve over chaos. Marcus Aurelius taught, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Pick one task like a 10-minute meditation and do it despite feeling off. Start small. 1 minute of effort. Try the resolve thread. Journal nightly, noting, task, walked. Mood, scattered. Result, resolve 1. Taryn, a 40-year-old clockmaker from Geneva, skipped repairs when unmotivated. The Stoicism mindset kept him steady, enhancing Stoicism practice. "I weave my will," he says. What distraction frays your dawn? Anchor your focus, the 4th strategy. Epictetus taught, "Some things are up to us, others are not." List one morning worry like, will my meeting fail? Split. Mine. Prepare well, not mine. Their choice. Act on yours. Use the focus anchor. Log daily, noting. Worry, boss's reaction. Mine. Do my best, not mine. Their mood. Result. Peace. Runeth, a 31-year-old baker from Lyon, stressed over rushed orders. The Stoicism mindset freed her to need, reducing anxiety. "I control my craft," she says. Fifth, knot doubts into strength. Marcus Aurelius declared, "The obstacle is the way." Write one morning doubt like I am not ready, and reframe. This sharpens my focus. Try the strength knot. Log daily, noting, doubt. I will fail. Reframe. Builds grit. Action. Prepared calmly. Result. Strength. Nivara, a 36-year-old herbalist from Chiang Mai, dreaded early deliveries. The Stoicism mindset made doubts fuel, boosting Stoicism lessons. Doubt weaves my strength, she says. Sixth, embrace your dawn, Amor Fati. Seneca taught, fate leads the willing. Right, I embrace my dawn, reframing a struggle. My early start builds discipline. Try the dawn embrace. Journal daily, noting, struggle, tight schedule. Lesson, time for focus. Result, calm. Elise's distractions faded with Amor Fati. The Stoicism mindset deepened her mindfulness. I welcome my morning, she says. Seventh, root in the now. Epictetus taught, you become what you give your attention to. When worry pulls, touch your wrist, say, here now. Try the now root. Pause daily. Note one detail, like morning breeze. Log, drift, future stress. Anchor, this moment. Result, clarity. Joris, a 28-year-old tanner from Fez, lost mornings to doubt. The Stoicism mindset grounded him, strengthening Stoicism relationships. I am here, he says. Eighth, clear the tapestry. Seneca taught, do what's essential. Ask, what phrase my morning? Simplify one thing. Skip X for 20 minutes. Try the tapestry. Clear, log weekly, noting, simplified, muted notifications. Result, focus. Zarin, a 45-year-old vintner from Bordeaux, decluttered her tasks. The Stoicism mindset sharpened her creativity, proving Stoicism productivity. Less chaos, more clarity, she says. The Stoicism mindset transforms your mornings. Physically, rituals energize. Mentally, focus drives motivation. Emotionally, gratitude lifts mental health. Spiritually, Amor Fati fuels purpose. Taryn's lace, Elise's mosaics, Voren's pots, Torin's clocks, Runeth's bread, Nivaris herbs, Joris hides, Zarin's wine show, the Stoicism mindset triumphs. Meet Drace, a 33-year-old scribe from Alexandria. Drace's morning doubts dimmed his quill. My mind was a tangle, he says, ink dry. Stoicism daily practice wrote his path, he penned. I am enough, he says. Take Taryn, a 26-year-old fisherman from Galway. Saren's distractions lost his nets. My mind frayed before the tide, he says. Boat still. The Stoicism mindset steadied him, he cast. I am steady, he says. Then Myris, a 50-year-old poet from Tbilisi. Myris' purposelessness silenced her verse. My mind was a knot at dawn, she says, words gone. The Stoicism mindset kindled her, she sang. I am whole, she says. Meet Caliph, a 30-year-old glassblower from Murano. Calith's doubts darkened her furnace. My mind said I was nothing, she says, glass cracked. The Stoicism mindset ignited her. She shaped. I am true, she says. With Taryn back, her morning doubts vanished. My mind no longer knots my lace, she says, threads woven. The Stoicism mindset prospered, she crafted. I am bold, she says. Finally, Elira, a 55-year-old astronomer from Atacama. Elira's purposelessness dimmed her stars. My mind doubted my dawn, she says, telescope dark. The Stoicism mindset clarified her, she charted. I am light, she says. Ready to transform your Stoicism mindset? 8. Stoicism exercises weave your mornings. Thread unravel. Log gratitudes. Track grounding. Dawn weave. Track rituals. Track focus. Resolve thread. Log tasks. Track resolve. Focus anchor. Log worries. Track peace. Strength knot. Log reframes. Track strength. Dawn embrace. Log struggles. Track calm. Now root. Log anchors. Track clarity. Tapestry. Clear. Log simplifications. Track focus. These Stoicism exercises ease anxiety, fuel self-improvement. Your morning is not just a start, it is your thread. The Stoicism mindset is your loom to weave clarity, purpose, power. Challenge. For 14 days, adopt one strategy and exercise. Name one morning shadow you will conquer and share with #StoicMindmaster. Picture day 14. Calm, focused, woven. Marcus Aurelius said, "Your morning shapes your life. Command it." The Stoicism mindset builds Stoicism relationships. Stoicism daily. Practice mental health for all. The Stoicism mindset is your oath against chaos. Taryn laced, Elise tiled, Vorin shaped, Torn ticked, Runeth baked, Navara healed, Joris tanned, Zarin bottled, Drace penned, Saren cast, Myra sang, Calith glowed, Taryn crafted, Elira charted. Now you. Start small, practice Stoicism daily. Let Stoic Reign guide you. Epictetus said you have power over your mind, master it. Your dawn begins now. Launch your 14-day Stoicism Mindset Challenge. Choose one exercise, name one morning shadow you will conquer, and take the dawn anchor by speaking a daily Stoic affirmation aloud at dawn, like I weave my purpose, while visualizing your day's clarity. Pause weekly to reflect alone or with a mentor, crafting a life of purpose, and share your progress with #StoicMindmaster, #Stoic Reign.